go for the last lesson, 12th lesson, part D sumla, third one. The demand and supply function are PD na demand, D on the demand is equal to 1600 minus x2 and PS, S in a supply is equal to 2x square plus 400 respectively. Separate. Find the consumer surplus and producer surplus. இது ரெண்டத்தை வச்சு we have to find a consumer and a producer surplus. We'll do the sum now. So in the sum what they given, PD demand is 1600 minus x square and PS supply is equal to 2x square plus 400. Okay, so we have to find demand, producer surplus demand is equal to and supply, demand supply separately. So according to this formula, 1600 minus x square is equal to 2x square plus 400. So what we have to do, all the numbers variable together we have to do it. First 1600 inga minus varano, minus x square இப்படி இருக்கணும். Okay, இது minus 1600 in the 400, this is plus 400, if it's coming this side means it will become a minus 400 is equal to same 2x square and this minus x square, if it's coming like this side means it will become plus x square. So minus means 1604, if you minus means 1200 is equal to 2 plus 1 3x square it will become. So what we have to do, x square is equal to 1200 divided by 3. So if you do means x square is equal to 400. So x is equal to square root, in the square root on the 400. So square root of 400 it will become 20. So x on the 20. So according to the x on the 20. Next x of 0 is equal to 20. இதுதான் நம்ம find out பண்ணி வச்சுக்கிறோம். Next P of D is equal to 1600. P of D questionல என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, 1600 minus x2. அதே போல் 1600 minus x2. இப்போ 1600 minus x ஓட வேல்யூ ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம 20 கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம். We have found it 20 of a square. So 1600 minus 20 into 20 400. So P0 is equal to 1200. So what we have to, x of 0, P of 0 na in the 20 into in the 1200 na we will get to 24,000. So value of x P0 வந்து thousands. அப்போ நம்ம தனியாக எழுதி x0 is equal to 24,000. So we'll find 24,000 separate. இப்போ formula, according to the formula, integral consumer surplus வந்து formula, consumer surplus formula will be a CS, consumer surplus, அப்புறம் producer surplus. First consumer surplus, CS is equal to integral of x f of x dx minus x0 p0. So according to this, so here integral of x oda value already 20 நம்ம வச்சுக்கிறோம். It's for a namesake, which one you are doing, for that we are mentioning. So f of x வந்து 1600 minus x square, இதனுடைய வேல்யூ நம்ம ஏற்கனவே புக்கில் இருக்குது, கொஷினில். ஸோ இந்த எக்ஸ் டிஎக்ஸ் மட்டும் நம்ம அகெயின் இதன் ஃபுல் வேல்யூ தான் 1600 minus x2 கொஷினில் இருக்க தட் ஒன். நவ் டிஎக்ஸ் மைனஸ் எக்ஸ் ஆஃப் இது வந்து ஆல்ரெடி வி ஃபவுண்ட் அவுட் 24,000. அந்த 24,000 we'll write here. Now here again 1600 minus x of 2 இருந்தனா 2 plus 1, அது கூட 1 is whatever we are doing here, same thing should we have to write it in the down 2 plus 1 close a bracket minus 2000, 24,000 will write. Again same thing, 1600 x oda value வந்து x minus 2 plus 6, இந்த x ஓட வேல்யூ இங்கே எடுத்துகிட்டு வரும், அதுதான் இங்கே x. ஓகே, here இங்கே 2 plus 1 என்னது 3. So what will be, we will write x 3 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. Close the bracket, minus 24,000. Next, what we have to do is equal to 1600. X oda value வந்து 20 minus x oda value 23. Already found that பண்ணி வச்சுக்கிறேன். X oda value 20 divided by 3. Okay, this is the last square. Again 24,000. Next, what we have to do, multiply. இது multiply பண்ணோம்னா 32,000 minus 20 into 20. If you multiply means we'll get as 80,003. In the 24,000 அப்படியே எடுத்துருக்கோம். Next, now what we have to do, in the 32,000 and 24,000 minus பண்ணோம். 32,000 minus 24,000. If you do means we'll get it as 8,000. 8,000 minus in the 8,000 divided by 3. Okay, this cross multiplication will do. The cross multiplication. If you do means 3 8s are 24. 24,000 minus 8,000 divided by 3. LCM kuda kandupidichalam adhe number dhaan varum. So what minus if you do means it will come as a 16,000 divided by 3. Now we'll do the producer's surplus. So PS is equal to x0 p0 integral of minus integral of g of x dx. Okay, so already px oda answer 24,000 we have found it, minus x of 20 அப்படியே வச்சுக்கலாம் x of. Okay, now 2x square plus 400, already it is in the question, dx already we will write. Next same 24,000 minus 2x power kunnala 2 plus 1. What you write same thing we will write here, plus 400x square. Okay, next what you have to write is equal to 24,000 minus 2 into 2. Okay, all right, 2x 2 plus 1 3 divided by 3 plus 400x. Next 24,000 minus first 2 oda x oda value வந்து 20 of 3 divided by 3 plus 400 x oda value வந்து 20. So what we have to write, 24,000 minus 2 divided by 3, 8,000 plus 20 into 20, 23 times 8,000 plus 400 multiply with 20 na 8,000 will come. Next 16,000 minus 16,000 divided by 3. So cross multiplication if we do means we'll get it as 48,000 minus 16,000 divided by 3. So what will write, 32,000 divided by 3. That's it.